if you want to perform a screen record on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and open up your control panel. Now find your screen recorder. So you can choose what you want to record, sound, media, and mic, or none. So choose whether you want to show taps and touches or not, and press start recording. So that's your countdown. So that's how your recording looks, right? So you can tap here to draw something, or you can enable this mode. This is your front camera. Also, you can hide this panel. Now to stop or pause a video, tap on the pause icon. To stop it completely, tap on the stop icon. And you can always find your recording in your gallery. Well, basically that's how it works, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.